Welcome everyone. Let's learn some advanced idioms. Over the hills. It means getting older. After a few years, the excitement of the new job wore off and I felt I was over the hills. Golden years. It means years of retirement. After decades of hard work, they are now enjoying their golden years. Long in the tooth. It means getting old. He is too long in the tooth to be playing football with the young guys. Gray hair. It means signs of aging. Her gray hair makes her look distinguished. Old as the hills. It means very old. The village elders are as old as hills, but full of wisdom. No spring chicken. It means not young anymore. He is not a spring chicken anymore, but still runs fast. Age is just a number. It means age doesn't matter. She says age is a number and she is living her best life. Fall apart. It means decline in health. The news made him fall apart, couldn't handle the stress.